If your curl doesn't look like this yet, then you are doing it wrong. Sit down, relax, and let me show you how to do the bombshell technique curl. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist with about a decade of experience within the hair industry. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to achieve the bombshell curling technique. As you can see, the hair has already been prepped, it's been washed, it's been layered, and it's ready for styling. I will start by sectioning the hair into 2 equal parts. This is because it makes the curling process more manageable and also keeps everything even and balanced. By the way, ladies, this curling technique was requested by one of my very favorite subscribers, Isabel Aqua. So Isabel, this one is for you. Thank you for the request, and I hope this helps. In regards to tools and products, you'll see them as we go. But I also have a tutorial on how to do the reverse bombshell technique. And with that, all the tools and products that I use, they were listed on there. So if you're interested in that, then I will leave the link in the description box. So to begin with the curling on this section, I will split the hair into 2 equal parts because they will both follow different directions. So on my right hand side, I am curling and letting the hair fall on my right side. So I'm wrapping the hair around the curler. However, the hair is coming out or it's falling on the right side of the mannequin. Also bear in mind that the curler is underneath the hair, so I'm curling right underneath the hair away from the face. So I'll continue wrapping the hair around the curler until there's no more hair visible, and then I will hold it in place for about 10 seconds and then drop it gently into my palm by pressing on the clamp, and then apply my hairspray, then clip it in place for it to set. For the left side, I'm sorry my arm got in the way, but the main technique here is to wrap the hair around the curling iron and let it fall naturally onto the left side. Just to remind you that you have to always apply your heat protectant before using your hot tools. So although you haven't seen me using any products, be rest assured that I have already gone in with my heat protectant followed by my serum before the curler. So after wrapping all the hair around, once again I'll go in with my holding spray and then clip the hair to set in place. So this is the same technique that we are going to be using all around the hair. On the right side, you make sure you curl, allowing the hair to fall on the right side. Okay, wrapping the hair around the curler, make sure the hair is coming out on the right side, and on the left side you make sure that the hair is coming out on the left side. That's the simple technique. If you are still here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give this video a very big thumbs up and let me know in the comments, do you prefer the bombshell technique to the reversed bombshell technique? Personally, I prefer the reversed bombshell technique. The only reason is because that's my go-to. That's my default setting, okay? And that's what I learned with when I was learning hair or wig making. That's the first thing I learned. I learned the reversed bombshell. So that's my default setting. But I also like the bombshell technique because it gives a lot of volume to the hair. And if you haven't yet seen my previous tutorial on the reversed bombshell method, make sure to finish this one first and then check it out. The link is in the description box. So as you can see, I'm curling on the left side, and the curler is going underneath the hair. Again, it's important that when you are doing bombshell method, the hair goes underneath the hair. So basically you open your curler and wrap your hair around the curler. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically just watch what I'm doing. I'm sure you get it. I couldn't get a clip for when I was curling the front, and I am so sorry. By the time I realized, my video was off and I'd finished, so I apologize, but it's basically the same technique that you'll be doing when you get to the front. Once the hair has cooled down, I'll go ahead and unpin it, making sure that each curl falls in the right direction. Basically, the right to the right and the left to the left. Now, once that is done, I'll go ahead and comb through the hair. And combing through the hair is very important. Your outcome is dependent on how you comb it. So as you can see, I'm combing from front to back, especially on the closure side where a lot of layers are. I'm combing from front to back. That's exactly what you'll be doing all around the hair. And whilst you are combing the front, you have to play around with the hair to make sure the hair is falling how you want it to fall on the face. This is how the hair should look like. Absolutely stunning. The color is given spring. The hair is just given classic and luxury. I mean, sis, this will look absolutely gorgeous on you. This is the hair during the day. It's absolutely beautiful. Try this and let me know how it goes. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.